Allanna here. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to turn one outfit, being this romper, into 3 different outfits. And obviously I'm not counting this romper as one of the 3 outfits because clearly you guys know that the romper itself is already an outfit. But I just thought this would be helpful because the other day I was going through my closet and trying to come up with different ways to create new outfits that I hadn't worn yet, and you guys would be surprised at how many outfits you actually have in your closet and just don't realize it. So you just gotta get creative. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 3 different outfits out of one romper. So with that said, be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment down below which of these outfits is your favorite, and obviously you guys could put your own spin on these outfits. If you have not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and join the family here. And when you have done that, comment done down below so that way I can give you a post notification shout out in one of my videos. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Starting off with our first outfit, our romper is going to act as shorts in this one. And for this one, all you gotta do is take any fitted top and place that over your romper so that way your romper acts as shorts for the outfit. And the reason why I say a fitted top is because generally rompers are loose and flowy on the bottom. So in order to even out your outfit and give your outfit shape, wear a fitted top with it so that way you also don't have too much baggy clothes going on in your outfit. And since this romper is patterned, I just chose any solid colored top to work with it. Then for our second outfit, our romper is going to act as a top. And I know what you're thinking, probably thinking, how do I get rid of the bottoms of my romper? Well, you're not gonna get rid of them, we're just gonna hide them. And to do that, take any pair of shorts that you have, get a pair that are a little bit more loose on you so that way you can hide your romper better, and just pull those over the bottom half of your romper and tuck in the shorts to it. And I just chose some ripped denim shorts and I styled it up a little bit more with a white belt to go with it. And I think this looks really cute with one of those little fabric headbands. So that is what I chose for this one. But yeah, so now with this outfit, you got yourself a new top. Then finally, for our third outfit, this one is the most spiced up. We are once again going to be using the romper as some bottoms. But in this look, I went for a little bit more of a sportier look. And what I did is I took a shirt that was actually loose and flowy, but like I said, to give it shape and add shape to my overall outfit, I went and I tied up the bottom of the shirt around my waist, so that gave me the fitted part of my outfit. I just did that to my solid black shirt. And then to spice up our bottom area so that way it doesn't look like our first outfit, I took a little white button down and I just tied it around my waist, because that's another thing, a lot of people don't realize the many ways you can wear a button down. And then to top it off with that sporty look, I paired it with my white Adidas baseball cap to finish off the outfit. And to make this outfit look even more sporty, you can pair it with a nice pair of some sneakers or even workout athletic shoes. That is it for today's video, guys. I really hope this was helpful for y'all because I even just realized how many outfits I actually had in my closet once you get creative with the pieces that you already have in your closet and just combine them in different ways, and you can come up with some pretty cute outfits. I will just say that. And I was honestly surprised with the outfits that I was able to come up with just with using this one romper. Be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment down below if you would like to see a back to school clothing edition of this, because I think that would be really fun, and school is coming up really soon, for me at least. I know some of y'all have started already. Thankfully, I haven't yet. Be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications and comment done when you have done that for a post notification shout out. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.